We're buying seedlings here. Some climbing spinach. Buying some seedlings, plants today. We're gonna be transplanting them at home. Maybe I'll. So what we got here? We got some seedlings here. I just spent $100 worth of seedlings. Man, this is good. Exotic seedlings. Guess what it is? I got the original Vietnamese basil, the one that you use at the restaurants, the pho, Vietnamese pho. I got that. I also got bell peppers, Vietnamese peppers. I got this from a Vietnamese guy. Amazing. I'm gonna plant this later on. Later on. So amazing. This guy just made $100. I went there and spent $100 for just seedlings. Okay, so it means seedlings are like gold. It's like 1 gram of gold right there. So people doesn't understand. Even in the Philippines, people don't understand that plants are gold. You know. Like I'll show you this. Like even this tomato, this is like $20. No, I think it's $9 each plant. I paid $9 each, or I forgot, but I think this plant is $9 each, and that's it's tomato. So yeah, so here's the situation. This slope is 65 degrees. As you can see, I'm using a screen, but that screen is from our old trampoline. I need to use it because of the hail. It protects the plants from dying if there's a hail. So that's why I'm putting it there. But that's just temporary. We're gonna replace it with something else. Anyway, please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's been an amazing week for AURUM. If you are looking for extra income, message me or sign up on my link below. Paldo tayo nito. That's where you sign up using Asia VPN. You need a VPN because it is only for Asia or outside US. So yeah, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is VIDZMO VIDZMO. Watch out for more videos coming up next. Like and subscribe. Hey, we gonna plant some seedlings today. I mean, some tomatoes today. How they look like at night. So yeah, I just need to clean up the garbage there, clean up the mess maybe tomorrow.